Hello, welcome to my new video, and in this video I will show you how to make light detecting circuit using LDR sensor and Arduino. Now this circuit can be modified and used in other applications also. Components of the circuit are one Arduino Uno R3 board, one Arduino Uno cable, one LDR sensor and 3 jumper wires. To understand the circuit, let's first understand about LDR sensor. Now, LDR is nothing but light dependent resistor. Now you can say LDR sensor in my hand. It has 3 terminals, VCC, GND and DO. Now, I will tell you how this component works. So first it absorbs light from its first part and then it measures its intensity so that it can tell how light or how dark the place is. Now this is used in light sensoring projects. Now we use this component in circuits to measure if we need to measure the level of intensity of the light. Now in our circuit, it will absorb the surrounding light and then it will tell that is this light enough or not, and then it will conclude that light is detected and there is no light. So this is how LDR sensor works. Now let's make the circuit. So first we will connect VCC of the LDR sensor to 5 volt of Arduino. Then we will connect GND of LDR sensor to GND of Arduino. And at last we will connect DO of LDR sensor to D2 terminal of Arduino. So this is the overall circuit. Now let's look at the code of this circuit. So in the first part we are telling to the Arduino that we have connected the LDR sensor to the D2 terminal of Arduino, and we are also telling that we are using the inbuilt LED of Arduino which is connected to D13 pin. In the second part, first we are mentioning the codes boards which is 9600, and in this second part we are telling to the Arduino that LDR is in the input mode and the inbuilt LED is in the output mode. Now comes the main part. Now here first we are converting the data received by LDR to a variable called LDR underscore read, and after that we are putting a conditional statement. Now the conditional statement says that if LDR read is equal to low, there should be a serial printing that light is detected and the LED should be off. If not, then means if LDR underscore read is equal to high, then there should be a serial printing that no light is detected and the LED should be on. So we have written it in a conditional statement. If LDR read is equal to low, serial.println light detected, digital light LED low, means that we are printing that light is detected and the LED will be off. Else if LDR underscore read is equal to high, serial.println no light, digital light LED high, means that will be a printing that no light is detected and the LED will be on. So this is the overall code which is used to run the entire circuit. Now I will upload the code in the circuit. Now you can see the code has been uploaded. Now I will open the serial monitor. Now you can see that in the serial monitor it is showing that light is detected. Now if I put my hand around the sensor, it is showing that no light is detected and the inbuilt LED is also on. But if I remove my hand, the inbuilt LED is off and it is showing light detected. So this is how the LDR sensor works. I hope you have understood how LDR sensor works. So if you are new to the channel, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.